Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily register a sole trader company in UK. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily register a sole trader company in UK. Just visit the official HMRC website. You can see it on your search bar. Just type gov.uk/set-up-sole-trader. Next is just click on register for self-assessment, then click register online. Next is just sign in or create a government gateway account. If you don't have a government gateway account, just click on create sign in details, enter your email address and create the password. Then just confirm your email and get your government gateway user ID. Next is you're going to have to register for self-assessment. Once signed in, choose individual as the type of account, then select register for self-assessment. Then just fill out your personal information. You will be asked when you started your business, what type of work you do, and your contact details and address. Then once done, just submit your registration. Double check all the information, then click submit. You will then receive a confirmation email and an activation code by post, usually within 10 days. This is for accessing your personal tax account. You'll receive your unique taxpayer reference or UTR number by post. It's needed to file your tax returns. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!